Warning! This video contains valid EAS or emergency alert system tones. I want to give you a warning that if you were to play these over public television or any frequency, there is a chance that it would activate real emergency alerts on emergency alert system equipment. So, this is a fair warning that you should not play this over the air. And if you do, the FCC will get mad at you.
Below flood stage. Attention, this is based on a true story, however, this should not be taken literally, Kendons. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Fayette County in south-central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Sterling, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: beetle and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ashmont, South Bloomfield, I Didn't Hear It, Commercial Point, Fox, Lockbourne, Darbyville, Deer Creek Lake, Jubal, Cancos, Rick and Derby. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building such as a closet. If outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.